Have you considered starting a Facebook group in order to get your message out there to your target market? Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. Now, we know that since quarantine has happened in the lovely land and world of COVID-19, that a lot of us are starting to move our marketing online. And one very effective tool for marketing online is actually starting your own Facebook group for your law firm. So I want to give you today 3 strategies that you can use to effectively market to people in a Facebook group that you create. So strategy number 1 is that you have to create content for your group. This means that assembling a group, getting everyone in there, creating the rules, and having absolutely nothing to say is really not very helpful. Yes, people will talk amongst themselves, but you want to be the focal point, and in order to do that, you have to have content. So content can be any number of things. You should be having Facebook posts about, common topics in the news, right? If you are a divorce attorney, you want to be talking about high-profile divorces. If you are a real estate attorney, you want to talk about changes in the real estate market. If you are a criminal defense attorney, you want to talk about high-profile criminal cases. Whatever you talk about, you want to talk about something. And another great way of using content is to ask questions, because then the people in the group will do the work for you. You ask a question, they start talking, and then they start responding to each other. Strategy number 2 is that you do not want to give legal advice. Now, this is very important. I'm sure we all know that as a licensed attorney, you are certainly authorized to give legal advice, but you don't want to give legal advice because you don't have the full picture. People will say offhanded things, and it sounds like it's issue number 1 or issue number 2. That may not be the case. And the other real problem with giving legal advice is that it invites other people who are not authorized to give legal advice, non-attorneys, to start giving advice as well. So what tends to happen is you give a piece of advice, you're legally authorized to do so, and John Doe, the plumber, decides that he's also going to comment about what he would advise in the situation. Now, people do this on Facebook all the time, but the reality is you are a licensed professional, and in many states, it is not only a crime to give the unauthorized practice of law by giving advice, but for you to solicit it, you are participating in that crime. So very important that you not give legal advice. Third strategy you want to keep in mind is that even though you are not giving advice, you do want to offer to help. So this means that when someone says, I have a problem with such and such, you really have to get over the resistance to simply invite them to a consultation. It's very important that you ask and ask and ask, offer and offer and offer to help. Now, a lot of times we're going to feel uncomfortable with that. We're going to feel like we're being too salesy, or that perhaps we're being pushy by saying over and over and over again, hey, I'm here to help. But the reality is only about 20% of what you post in your Facebook group is going to be seen by your audience. So I want you to take the amount of times that you are offering to help, and I want you to 5x it, okay? 20% of the people are going to see your message. That means 5 times you need to be saying that message just at the point of where you are comfortable, 5 times your level of comfort, okay? In order to get your Facebook group out there and get it popping, you really have to step out on faith, and I can help you to do that. So if you want help with creating a Facebook group and getting your message out to your target market, please reach out to Law Firm Mentor. You can reach us on our website, lawfirmmentor.net. I am Allison Williams, your Law Firm Mentor. Everyone, have a great day.